Hi all. I'm making this video because I want people to ensure that they're never putting any personal identifiable information about themselves or their children into any chatbots like ChatGPT or Gemini or anywhere else. So I'm going to create a mock IEP for a sample child and show you guys a tool called Redactable that you can use to redact documents before uploading them. Okay, what I've done is created a free account at Redactable, and I have uploaded my document that I would like to redact. I do not want AI to redact this. I want to manually redact it. So I'm going to go ahead and select manual redaction, and I'm going to select all the different areas that I would like to redact. Now that I've selected everything on the document I want to redact, I can go ahead and click on Finalize my redaction. And I'm going to download the new file. And this is the final file that is now going to be safe to upload into any chat model that I would like to ask questions to about my child's IEP. Now we can hop over to ChatGPT or any other chat system you want, and you can ask it any query about the document you just wiped. What happens when you upload it is that the information on the document is passed over into its knowledge base. So that means that it could potentially be trained on this information in the future. One of the reasons it's important to use a tool like Redactable is because we want to make sure we're scraping the metadata and the properties associated with the original file as well, because that metadata might incorporate personal identifiable information. It usually includes the author's name of the document, and it also might include some keywords. So we want to make sure that the tool we're using scrapes the metadata as well. Things like Canva or other tools that might just highlight on top of the copy itself might not be scraping the metadata associated with a file. So it's important to make sure that you're scraping the metadata as well. There is a small cost associated with Redactable. You do get 3 documents to redact for free, but then after that, if you want to pay as you go, it's $5 per document, or you could also get a subscription. Another feature is that there is a redaction log where you can actually track when and who redacted documents, and you could also get redaction certificates. Thanks for watching, and remember never to include personal identifiable information in any AI system that you're using, unless you're running it locally on your machine with something like Ollama and Chroma.